Today I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs in your cast iron skillet with absolutely no sticking at all. If you're still cooking eggs in Teflon because you think that there's no other way to make eggs without this huge stuck-on mess that you have to scrub off, go ahead and throw that toxic garbage in the garbage where it belongs, because after today you're not going to need it anymore. So there are 3 secrets to cooking eggs successfully in cast iron, and the first one is making sure their cast iron is well seasoned. You can see and now this does have a little oil in it, but it's nice and shiny. It is it's all the way black. It's not like you don't see any of the actual iron. This is a well seasoned skillet, and that's your first step for successfully making scrambled eggs. Now the second secret is to always heat your skillet before you put your eggs in it. And this goes for anything you cook. No matter what kind of food you're making, you want your skillet to be nice and hot before you put anything in it. Number 3 is you want some fat or oil of some kind. I typically use coconut oil. You can also use butter. You could use bacon fat. I use that a lot if I have it, but you need some type of oil. Now I don't use any kind of water or milk or anything in my eggs when I do them. I just put some salt. But if you want to make like a fluffier egg, go ahead and add a little bit of water, maybe a tablespoon, but I don't, and I find them to be good. Make sure your pan is nice and hot. Again, you're almost on the edge of smoking here. You can kind of see that it's starting to smoke. You want medium high, not anything less than medium high, because you won't get your pan hot enough. As soon as your pan is hot enough, you go ahead and pour your eggs in, and the secret is not to stir them immediately. Leave them in there for a few seconds, and they almost kind of make a skin on the bottom. So just a second, you can see here, and then you start stirring. And I mean, look, no sticking. Just keep stirring them till they're done. Don't leave them in your skillet after they're cooked, because cast iron retains heat so well it will overcook your eggs. So definitely get them out as soon as they're cooked. And look at the pan. I mean, like some tiny little bits in there, but it's not stuck, it's not caked on. And what I like to do is take my spatula here, and if there's any little bits, just scrape them like this. I'm not scraping hard, damaging the surface. I'm just scraping it a little bit to get all those little pieces. Tip number 4, bonus tip. Get you one of these little miniature spatulas. This thing is the handiest spatula for cooking in cast iron. You can get down in there so well versus like a big, huge, clunky spatula. I didn't think I'd be able to find more of these because it's actually a vintage spatula, but I found some. I'll link them in the description below. Get you one of those. And then clean up. Once you've scraped all this a little bit, and sometimes you won't have anything to scrape. Sometimes you'll have a little bit more left in there than others. Get you a paper towel. This is the only thing I keep paper towels for cast iron. Wipe it out with a paper towel. Gather up the little egg bits that are left in there. Wipe them out. And they just fell over the floor. Try to catch them before they fall on the floor, unlike me. And you don't even have to put any oil in your skillet because you're left with a little bit of oil film and your skillet is ready for the next time you need to cook in it. It's seriously that easy. Like, don't cook in nasty, toxic Teflon anymore. You can make really delicious, perfect scrambled eggs that don't stick right in your cast iron, and in no time it's ready for whatever you need to cook next. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up, and thanks for following along. If you're interested in other types of eggs like fried eggs, I will do a video on that coming up soon. Thanks. Bye.